Experiencing lower AirPods volume on your Apple Watch compared to your iPhone? You're not alone. The Apple Watch typically maxes out at 50 to 70% of the iPhone's volume due to a combination of factors. The Apple Watch enforces a lower maximum volume cap, around 85 dB SPL, to comply with EU regulations and prioritize hearing safety, especially during physical activity, while iPhones can output up to 100 dB SPL. The watch also uses a streamlined equalization that is less powerful than the iPhone's, which results in muffled or quieter output. Furthermore, the watch uses a lower bandwidth Bluetooth connection optimized for power efficiency, leading to compressed audio and reduced dynamic range. This is all by design and not a bug, prioritizing safety and battery life. While a complete fix doesn't exist, some workarounds can help. Make sure both your Apple Watch and AirPods are updated to the latest software. Try resetting your AirPods. On your Apple Watch, navigate to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods, and forget the device, then repair. Some users have had success pairing the AirPods via the iPhone and using the watch's mirror iPhone mode, though this may cause connectivity issues. Keep in mind, the volume boost toggle in watchOS 11 is experimental, allowing for up to 10% more output, but isn't available for all AirPods models. The good news is, Apple is expected to refine audio processing in future watchOS updates, potentially integrating AI-driven EQ. Hardware improvements in future watches with dedicated audio processors are also rumored, so there may be a better solution in the near future.